All right, welcome back again to my channel. I hope all is well with you. So this hour we are going to give you update from DPM handle on X. You see, when the whole thing started about this protest, I am one of those that criticize, anybody criticizing the protest, and I also made it clear that I don't support people that are attacking those that claim they want to protest. But I am not in support of it. That I'm not saying you should go and protest. Neither am I saying you should not don't protest. Some may say, just tell us where you stand. Because I cannot tell you anything what I don't know. I don't know who are the organizers and who is not the organizer. So when the whole thing started, I wanted to know who exactly is behind the plan to protest. Nobody knows. But when you hear people talking about it and where they're coming from, what they normally do, and who they represent all this while, that will help you to have a clue of what they're trying to do. Some people say that you cannot trust them because these guys don't like Mazin PM, that is PM Summit Saminogba, that they can pretend to love him, but deep down their mind, they are capable of doing anything. The same group of people that claim they are the one in charge of those, that the people that are going to see PM or not, are the same people talking about the protest. By this time last year, if I'm not mistaken, let me just say last year, La Zuba decided to go to Finland to riot, according to her. She called it riot. And in that rioting, we saw her submitting a file. Until this day, nobody knows the content of that file. You know, I said it in my previous video. Because I knew if it were to be another person, she would be running her mouth on social media, telling you that the reason why PM is still in prison is because of that document. Imagine that DPM went to Finland and submit envelope to Finnish person at all. Imagine what Lasba will say. Imagine what Eggman will say. These are the same group of people that claim that she sent perfume to Finland. You remember when the issue of perfume? What is the outcome of that perfume today? Have they shown you any perfume, anything to back that claim up? Nothing whatsoever. So DPM made a post, and in that post, she revealed something, she exposed something. And what is that? Many Biafrans, so many people don't listen or watch some of the programs of those guys. Just like some of them don't watch us. I understand. But those of you that managed to watch some of the videos, you can relate to what DPM said here. So this is what she put out there. Public attention, 11/12. Okay? She put 11/12. I think there's a mistake there. This is 7/12. 7/12 it should be. Okay? And they told you this is. In Finland, the judge court controls who enters courtroom during trials. The judge and the court authority, they are the one that controls who enter and who does not enter. Okay? That one is, we agree on this. It has come to the attention of the United States of Biafra government that certain faceless individuals colluding with some unscrupulous elements in Finland are using the name of PM to propagate lies to the public and Biafrans on social media. A faceless individual by name Biafran Unite was recently heard saying that the PM talked to him and has given exclusive power to some individuals in Finland to appoint who enters the courtroom during PM's appeal trial. Listen to the voice. This information and many others from this individual are not true. In Finland law, a sentenced person does not get to decide who is allowed inside a Finnish court or trial there. That decision rests with the judge and court authority. A sentenced defendant person has the right to be there and to have a lawyer, but they cannot pick or ban who else is in the courtroom. The judge runs the proceeding and decide attendance based on Finnish law and European fair trial rules. I am using this opportunity to caution this faithless individual, Biafra Unite, whose voice was on the record, and those working with him to stop using the name of PM Simon Ekpa to spread lies and misinformation to the public. And she ended it by saying DPM, that is Deputy Prime Minister. Now, when you come down here, you hear the voice note in question. Hear this. I'm gonna take it back again, so it starts from the beginning. So I just increased the volume so that you will not say that you did not hear it very well. So it's not a rumor. Hear it.
This is coming from the Prime Minister, and he has exclusively, what did I say? Exclusively given the right to the protest organizers to be the one to decide who comes into the courtroom that building, as the court only allows 20 people during hearing or sitting. Pay attention, yet the people that know. He has given the exclusive right to the protest organizers to decide who comes into the court on the 5th and moving forward till the end of this year. The exclusive right now lies on the protest organizers to decide who comes inside the courtroom to stand in solidarity with him. And he does not make use of the regular entrance.
Okay, now this kind of claim or this kind of video or whatever you may call it is the reason why I said initially trusting these guys is at your own risk. Because imagine somebody that lives probably in America or in Canada or in Asia. You carry yourself, bam, to Finland, only for one Okoko that lives in Finland to be Pasimagarin, posting, I am the one in charge of this door. You don't enter here, Just think of it. If 20 people are to enter there, what these guys are trying to do, because everything they are doing, including the protests, is relevant seekers. Just to seek for relevancy. They are just trying to, I said it before, I know. That I don't condemn people going for the protests, which I said initially, is because I don't want people to see, oh, you are doing that because you don't want people to come out. To avoid that is the reason why I keep on maintaining my peace. Not because I don't understand what they're doing. And our people are so difficult to comprehend this kind of thing. This kind of trick is the reason why Biafrans are moving like a sheep without any shepherd. If I come here now and claim to you that there's a pattern to get Biafra, that's what you need to do now, and whatever I say, believe you me, I will have followers. I said it before. You have been in this argument, in this thing, you can tell, you can dictate what these guys actually represent. You should know by now. People will come to you and use your brain and play game on useless game, and people are buying into that. The same people that told you that you can, before you go to CPM, you must go through them. Relevant seekers. They understand that they don't have what it takes. Under normal circumstance, nobody will listen to them. But they have to perch on the back of PM for them to become relevant. The question is, do you think that they're using PM because they love PM? No. They want to use PM's effort to build themselves up. The same thing that US have been doing for the past 5 years in Namaga's absence. Oyendu said, how can you say that you're PM, Oyendu disciple, but you don't listen to him? Today, the same group of people are telling you, we don't listen to somebody in detention. We don't listen to somebody in the prison. When PM says similar thing in the past, what did they say? They said that he's a useless guy, he's a fool. He's on his own. Oh, don't use Oyandu name. We are going to take you to court and all that. Today, what happened? What is playing out today? Biafra Unite is the person that came out and told you, oh, relax. Listen, after the declaration of Biafra, he is the person that came out and talked like a human being, only for us to wait. He gave 1 week. Within 2-3 days, the man is conducting hosting fundraising for Genken by reading charter. People that make themselves transactional, like they are the one that they will make you look so stupid by trusting in them, because they have to manage themselves and comport themselves as if they actually, honorable person, someone with some dignity. Like, I cannot feed here. They want to build their class, but guess what? They are classless. I don't know him in person, but what I'm saying, when I say class, I'm not talking about financial aspect of it. I don't know how rich or his family background. I don't know. I don't know him. Okay, that's why you can see the picture I put here. I don't know him. I am not one of those that say, somebody, I don't know him. All right, and I'm not looking to know him, like, because someone that don't want you to see his identity. Respect that. I respect him for that. You don't want me to know you, it's okay. Because I don't have any bad intention to anybody that don't want his or her face to be shown. I don't care about it. It's not my business. You have right to your identity, to whatever you want to do. It is your thing. Just deal with it. But the idea of pretending that you are relevant when you are not, and anytime opportunity comes, you grab it just to demoralize people and punish people. Oh, for the past how many weeks now, they are clamoring for people to go to Finland. Oh, buy a ticket, come to Finland and protest. Today, they're not choosing and picking. You think with this, you can see the joy in him. What did I say? Exclusively give them power and all that nonsense. Why is he so happy announcing this lie? Because he wants to control your mind for you to know that you are not even welcomed after purchasing your ticket. If people begin to cancel the ticket now, they will say, oh, God, the person cost it. But you forgot that you're talking to people. You are not claiming that people in Finland are the one dictating who will go into who will enter the courtroom or not. But they are important to you outside the courtroom. You want them to come in mass. Then you are picking. The reason why they are announcing this because they're going to put imagine Lazuba entering court. To do what? After everything, we will say, then God said, and they now put some useless guys in Europe that don't even know their left or right. Oh, kind report said the kind of not say Chineke Bulldog. I did not say people should not go and protest. What I said is that you going there is because of PM. But this idea of now making them more important than all that may even click something in the minds of people. People may begin to think, why will I go there? Because it is about Kaba in everything. Oluchua God went to Finland. And during his visitation to PM, what happened? He noticed that once you want to talk to PM, they will send somebody to follow you up. They will devote their time to come. Kaba builders. Something that other people can do and hands up. What do you think they tend to gain from that? It's just about relevancy. Because nobody actually care about them. People may listen to you, but that doesn't mean that person is your fan. No. They just want to know how stupid you are sounding or how useless you have become. Or they want to know how deep you have fallen. Because some of you say you fall back, but nobody knows the measurement of your falling. Some of you fall from down-story building. Some fall from one-story building. So maybe you are falling from 10-story building. Who knows? But getting closer to you will help them to understand how bad your behavior has become. And this is something that people need to understand. Not everybody has fun as you think. You don't have fun as you think. I don't have as well. But what I'm saying is that you must understand that they're talking to human beings, not to animal. People have made up their mind to go to Finland because of second PM, not because of you. So claiming that PM have made you as the person you get choose, you get select, and all that. Even if PM is have that right, okay, as long as DPM is not around, I think maybe the lawyer or the judge could be the one to do that, if that is the case. But announcing it this way is making people that have spent their hard-earned money to go to freelance to start thinking that I don't they don't want me, they don't need me here. Yes, I understand that the court cannot be filled, everyone must not go inside the courtroom. But you announcing that these people have the right to choose and pick makes it look so bad. Something is fishy somewhere. The same thing that and people will come tomorrow and say, tell me what Ngozi has done. Do you know that she is the one that ended this corruption? Oh, PM will never see anybody with USB. That PM don't even know what is USB. Even though you know the fact that PM don't need to tell you that he about USB, because due to things that surround his case. Are you expecting him to say, oh, USB is my group? No, you don't need to do that. Nobody's a baby here, please. Biafra Unite claimed that charter, he read the charter, because that's a way to follow, according to him. He could not even stand on the charter that he read and claim that that's the way to follow. When the bargain did not go down, well, maybe he didn't receive what. I'm just guessing, because a man of his type who claimed that he's going to solve the problem, bring people together. I was happy when I said that I don't support anything, that I'm neutral. 2 days, is it up to 2 days? He jumped out on social media, began to talk about fundraising and the charter. Okay, then we said, okay, let's see how this will last. He disappeared again, began to demand that his platform will be, he want to sell his platform. As that one is not enough, he's come back again and begin to talk about Okis of Fire. Ngozi Orabueze and Okis of Fire are choosing and pushing gentle. And he's not even BLM member. Now he knows the problem of BLM member, can I say the BLM member? Because when Gentle came out, Gentle did not mention that Orabueze was chasing after him. When Gentle lost his brother, they said on Ngozi Orabueze and his people, his group, they even dragged the go 247 to that, because we go brought out a picture or talked about it first before another person. Oh, because for you to say that means that you are the one, you know people that bad. Even though he knew that the Kiss of Fire, the man who called the Kiss of Fire, is a Bible person. Why I'm touching this, because for you to know what has happened already. So I used to respect Biafra Unite, like I love what he was doing and all that, but this, after the declaration, they said that don't trust some men. I don't want to the way they normally say it, they don't trust a poor man until don't trust the loyalty of a poor man until the person, because until the person, when the person have touch money, then you know his character through his true character. After the declaration of Biafra, the character of Biafra Unite surfaced. Maybe some of you in the cabinet may know some of this character before, but it is now on social media after Biafra was redeclared. So things are not. I mean, these are brother. His recent record is not actually, good. I don't know why. Somebody that people, was holding a very high esteem, talking from both sides of his mouth. You have one chikri change kaba in a doesn't mean that you actually have what it takes to dictate for people like that, in my own opinion. Yes, you guys say you want to, you are the one behind the protest. People don't want to join. On the PM added his voice. When PM added his voice, people said, okay, maybe PM just want to use this to unite everybody and all that. But the way you guys are going, that means there's another business, another transaction that PM is not aware that is going on among you guys. And that transaction started from the way you guys comport yourself when people want to visit PM. You guys will be the first to come on social media. Oh, nobody want to visit PM. Nobody ask this man to whether he has seen PM or not. Have you visited PM? It was like visiting PM is a ticket for you to be a very trustworthy Biafran or a successful agitator or someone that people can rely on. They want to make it as a patch mark. If you visit PM, then you have ticket to heaven or something like that. Then Biafran begin to begin to visit. Others visited, and some of them succumb to this evil plan. It was when when a rain man visit, then the whole thing exposed, which is of course only to our God. He's the one that opened everybody's eyes and the secret of you guys in all those things. And Orabueze have not visited, which he cannot even visit. Only two guys got visited. It was you guys that were rushed to him because you want to know what he will say and all that. And the reason why you guys build that kind of bridge is just to make sure that whoever that want to visit PM go through you guys just to validate you. This is very, very evil. And you want to use that again now in this time minute. That means the so-called, visit and everything you guys are saying is questionable. And it's unfortunate that people are not saying this thing. Anyway, once again, I'm not discouraging you to go to Finland for the protests. You can go. Know that you are doing it for PM. It is quite discouraging. It is quite discouraging. Government have made their stand, and that is what I think people should believe on. Do not give yourself, out trusting someone that you don't even know much. Anyway, let me stop it here. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about all of this course so far. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye-bye for now.